Hey there, design enthusiasts. Welcome back to Season Pickersz. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of creating basic shapes and customizing them. If you're ready to boost your design skills, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Let's get started. Basic shapes might seem, well, basic, but they are the building blocks of fantastic designs. Today, we'll explore how to create them and take your designs to the next level. First things first, let's master the art of creating perfect circles and squares. I'll show you the tricks to make them not just ordinary shapes but design elements that pop. Don't underestimate the power of triangles. We'll explore how to create them with precision and use them to add dynamism and balance to your designs. Now that we've conquered the basics, let's dive into the fun part, customization. Get ready to turn those simple shapes into personalized masterpieces. Colors can transform your design from dull to dazzling. I'll show you how to experiment with different color combinations and gradients to give your shapes that wow factor. Flat shapes are a thing of the past. Learn how to add texture and depth to your designs, making them visually appealing and engaging. It's all about creating that 3D effect. Before we wrap up, let me share some tips and tricks to ensure your basic shapes are nothing short of professional. Layer styles can take your shapes to a whole new level. We'll explore how to apply shadows, glows, and other effects to add that extra flair to your designs. And there you have it, designers, the essentials of creating and customizing basic shapes. Now, go ahead, experiment, and let your creativity run wild. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your design-savvy friends, and comment below with your favorite shape customization tip. This signing off from Season Pickersz. Keep designing, keep creating, and stay inspired.